All right, just waiting for this to develop here. Needed to clear this guy here. 46 and a quarter, I think it is. Yep. Before we get in, here it is here in the 500. Sort of undecided on what it wants to do today. 46.50. That's what we want to clear. Because this is so steep here, I'm actually going to wait because this might just be a little fake sell off. It's been trading in this 5 point range this morning, so I'll wait for it to go down, come back, and then make another turn before I go in here. Just a little bit more of a conservative entry. This is quite the drop, so I don't know if I could trust it. So it's coming back now to my where I would have entered normally. We'll see what happens here. If it comes back down here and breaks this little support line 45.25, might be worth going in here. So yeah, still waiting for this to develop, but had I got in here at 46.25, it turned right around and I'd be sitting in negative territory right now. The reason is that this is a really fast drop for a 500 chart, and the 1 minute chart also, these are pretty big drops for a 1 minute. And if you look what it's done here already today, it's done that, turned around each one of these times. And this trend line is only gradually turning down. So if this comes up into here and doesn't cross this guy here and starts to come back down, I might get in. So we'll see what happens. If this turns around here, we'll get in at 45.50 because it's a minor support in here. But the trends are down, so okay, it looks like it might be finally ready to go down. Let's see here. I'm gonna wait to get in till it gets down here. Excuse me, because I just don't trust it. All right, still waiting to enter this, make this entry from back here. As you can see, went down, came up, and it just never really ran. Now, all the trend lines have crossed the 75, and this 500 tick has gone up to try to make back some ground, would have been stopped out or close to it for sure. So a good non-trade goes to show you that, just seeing the setup work, sometimes it's still not worthwhile to get in right away. You're better off waiting sometimes. In this case, I waited for it to come up into here and go down, and it just didn't do it. It didn't make it. So non-trade number one of the day. I'll end this video and post it anyways.